Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn selfies into 3D cartoons on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So to do that, we're gonna have to select our selfie or take one. I have previously made one for this video. So this is a selfie of me, and if I want to turn myself into the 3D character in the gallery app, I'm gonna have to tap on this AI icon at the bottom of the photo, then select Portrait Studio option, and then select for example 3D cartoon, and then tap Generate and wait for the AI assistant to generate a photo of me as a 3D cartoon character. And so that's the result. We can also use the comic effect, and it will make a sketch of me 8 years ago. We can also use watercolor effects so that we have like a painting of ourselves, something like this. Doesn't really look like me at this one, and the sketch too. And so this way you can apply different effects to yourself and see how you look, what you look like in different styles. Then to apply changes, type save copy, and here is the result. So that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.